So, in trees, meron tayong tinatawag na traversal. So, basically, traversal, allows us to display or display, and visit all nodes sa loob ng isang tree natin. Ayan. And, ang traversal na to, merong tatlong order. No? Merong in order, merong pre-order, and merong post-order. Ayan. So, yan yung tatlo. In order, pre-order, ayan, traversal. When you check online, no? So, buksan natin yan, tree traversal, and then check this one. Makikita nyo dito, ayan, yung in order, pre-order, post-order, traversal. Ayan. Kopyahin natin siya. Yun na lang dito, lagyan natin. And, there's a pattern on how we perform this traversal, no? So, i-note muna natin, and then we'll one by one discuss this. So, ang in order is left. I basically prefer to call this one left, no? And then parent, and then going to right. And then si pre-order is root left, right, no? Pero I usually call the root as parent na lang. So parent, and then going to left, and then going to right. Yan yung para mas mabilis siyang i-discuss, no? And then si post order is basically left right root, no? Left right root. So left going to right, going to parent, no? So palitan natin yung root ng parent para mas mabilis. And let's use yung table na meron dun sa, or yung tree na meron dito. Copyin lang natin yung tree para they use the same tree, no? So we can validate our output later on sa pag-traverse. So basically, this one, we will just discuss the concept, no? Hindi pa tayo magpo-proceed yung sa coding na part, no? How siya, kung paano siya gawin. Okay, so saan na yung ating work area. Yan. So let's copy yung existing tree na meron, so we can validate our output later, no? Ayan, so let's copy the tree here. Drawing na lang natin. Ito, no? So we can have the same output para we can validate lang. So meron siyang 1 dito, and then we have here yung 2, no? Then we have 3, we have 4. So kung napansin niyo yung 3, this is just a simple binary tree, hindi siya BST, no? Okay, 5. Kung ano pa rin siya, delay pa rin siya. And then we have here sa dulo yung 6. Ayan. So let's discuss the first, in order traversal. So sabi dito, we traverse using yung left going to parent, and then going to right, no? So let's create a new layer lang para dito tayo mag-traverse sa taas. Okay. So, when traversing an in order, we usually go to the left, no, leftmost, starting sa root node. No, you always start with the root node. No, siyempre ito yung start natin eh. And then, you go to the left. Pag may left pa, left lang ng left ng left, no? So, kung from 1, left ka ng left ng left, so ma-reach mo yung 4, di ba? So, si 4 yung una mong i-display, no? I-output. And then, sabi dito, parent. So, kung left, pinaka-left mo si 4, ang next mo is parent, will be 2. No? 2 ang i-output natin. And then sabi niya, right, no? So, ang right niya is 5. So, ang output na ito will be 5. Ayan, okay. So, after this part, no, ito na yung buong left mo. Ito na yung magiging buong left. Ito lahat magiging left na yan. So, you can proceed with, kung ito lahat to left, ito na yung parent mo, 1, no? So, 1. Ayan. Ayan. And then, yung right mo, no? Yung right, no? Since yung right dito, ito na siya, no? In case may left pa itong 3 na to, magla-left ka ulit. No? Since wala na, ang pinaka-output mo will be 3 and then 6 na. No? And this will be your output. In case there's a left here, may node dito sa left. Pag after ng 1, di ba left ulit? So, punta ka na sa right. Since may left ulit yan, pupunta ka muna sa left before ulit mag left, parent, right. No. Ayan. So, let's check kung same yung output natin with the 3 dito. No? So, in order traversal. So, ang output niya sa in order is ayan, 425136. No? 425136. So, that's how you perform in order traversal, no? Left, parent, right lagi. So, kung may left pa, lagi pong pupuntahan yung pinaka-left. To give you a shortcut, no, on how to perform traversal ng nasa visuals, no, using a visuals. So, if this is your tree, you can draw a line around the tree, no. So, pwede ka mag-drawing ng line around the tree. Ayan, drawing lang tayo ng line around the tree. Ayan. So, basically, yung tree, i-ano lang natin siya. Papalibutan natin ng lines, no? And then, you can draw an arrow going up, no? Going upwards. Ayan. So, pag nag-arrow up ka dito, syempre, wala namang tatamaan to kasi free space to, diba? Kung nag-arrow up ka dyan, wala ka naman tatamaan. So, you just draw arrow up until may tatamaan sa node. So, dito, may tatamaan ka na node, no? Tapos, arrow up ulit, tatamaan mo to. Diba? So, condition dapat maganda yung pagkakadrawing ng tree ninyo. So, arrow up. Sundan nyo lang yung line, arrow up ulit. Tapos, arrow up ulit. Ayan. And then, lahat ng tinamaan niya, when you're doing the arrow up, habang sinusundan mo yung line na yan, yun na yung traversal mo. No? So, start, unang tinamaan mo si 4, di ba? Arrow up ka, tinamaan mo is 2, no? Arrow up ka, tinamaan mo si 5. No? Arrow up ka, tinamaan mo si 1. Arrow up ka, tinamaan mo si 3. And then, arrow up ka, tinamaan mo si 6. Ayan. So, that's how you do visually the in order traversal, no? We get the same, kung napansin nyo, same naman yung output natin.